Alright you guys, we're going to do a Dyson video. This is a carpet we're going to clean tomorrow, but I'm vacuuming it today. They got to change the hot water heater out so I can vacuum it, but I'm not cleaning it until the hot water heater's done. But here we go. I'm going to stop temporarily so I can move around. Joe, bring the camera over here. Joe was doing something that he thought up that I never would have thought of, but he did. We put a camera in the center of the room so that we're close to the vacuum in all directions. But since the cord could hit the tripod and pull it over, I'm moving over here where the cord will always be behind the bucket instead of coming across the bucket, if that makes sense, or the tripod, if that makes sense. Actually, the tripod right now is a bucket, but anyway, here we go some more. Okay, if Joe will raise the camera up slightly, let's see if we picked up any trash in the bin. I don't know if y'all can see this, but there's stuff. Now this vacuum,
Should I hold it by the window and get out of the background? The window, I'll do it.
I don't know if that'll
Bring it
work.
closer,
Huh?
closer to the camera.
Okay. The camera don't look like it's adjusted right, but you're viewing it.
Yeah, you can kind of see it.
So the truth is, should I do another pass or not, Joe?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna video it.
You don't want to video it?
No, we'll move the bucket and everything so you can get a really good thing and just go real thoroughly.
So that's probably going to be the video for the vacuuming. We've got the rest of the place to do, but nobody wants to watch a 30-minute vacuum video. If you do, you need to get a hobby. I'm just kidding. But I'm going to fact, Joe put the bucket in the very center of the living room so we could work our way around it like this. It's amazing. I mean, it worked out great because this way the vacuum is close on every shot because it's not like from one corner to another. Yeah, ain't that neat? So you can see we're centered. You're starting to raise up.
Everybody gets sick. Okay.
So that's the vacuum video for now, and we got a cleaning video which will happen like tomorrow or the next day when they get done changing out the hot water heater. We'll get that video out. So this is going to be a doozy. Now they told us it was dirty carpet, and I come up here and start laughing. It's like, is that what you call dirty? Because it's not dirty. But I mean, it's dirty, but it's not like it's not trashed out either. So anyway, but you got anything to add?
Bye.
Bye bye.